Hi there, welcome to the next video. In this video, we will learn what is Jira issue, what are issue types, and how to use it. Jira issue is a piece of work. Teams use issues to track individual pieces of work that must be completed. Just as a project can have many different types of work, Jira uses different issue types to help identify, categorize, and report on your team's work. Let's start with the first issue type. Epic is a big user story that needs to be broken down. Epic groups together bugs, stories, and tasks to show the progress of a larger initiative. In agile development, epics usually represent a significant deliverable. Story or user story is a feature or requirement from the user's perspective. Stories should be defined using non-technical language so anyone involved in the project can understand. Tasks are work items that are not directly related to a user requirement but still must be completed, like the upgrading of a server, the coding of a function. A task contains a more detailed and technical description of a particular work item. Bug is a problem which impairs or prevents the function of a product. Subtask is the child of another issue and is used to break down stories, tasks, or bugs into individually manageable pieces of work. From the diagram, epic can contain story, task, or bug, and story, task, or bug can contain subtasks. Let's see the example of how to use these issues. For example, Epic is support online shopping on mobile phone, and the Epic contains story. As a customer, I want to use an online shopping application on mobile phone, and the story contains subtasks assigned to system analysts to design workflows for the online shopping application. And the next subtask in this story is for designer to design user interfaces regarding the workflows. And the last subtask in the story is for developers to implement functionality regarding the user interfaces and workflows. And the epic also contains tasks, reduce latency to improve product showing, and the task contains subtasks assigned to database admin to optimize database to be faster, and other subtasks for developer to optimize code to use appropriate algorithm. And the epic also contains bug. Sometimes the user interface is not updated when changing the product category. The bug contains subtasks for testing to determine conditions where this behavior happens. This subtask may assign to QA or developer. And the other subtask is for developer to update code when changing the product category. Once you have created the project, when you scroll down the left side menu to the bottom, you'll see Project Settings menu. Click this. After that, select Issue Types. You'll see all default issue types available in your project. You can add your custom issue type. That I will do it later in the course. That's it for Jira issue. In the next video, let's see how to create this issue type.